impressions on the lungs. First, right lung. Right lung, this is cardiac impression which occupied by the right atrium of the heart, and there is impression for the superior vena cava from upper side of this cardiac impression, and from below side there is impression for the inferior vena cava, and above the superior vena cava there is impression for right brachiocephalic vein. This impression for the right subclavian artery, and above the root there is impression for the arch of azygous vein. Just behind the root of lung, in case of right lung, there is impression for the esophagus, for this area for the esophagus, and here trachea. Anterior to root of lung there is course of right phrenic nerve, and posterior to root of lung there is course of right vagus nerve. So these are impressions in right lung: cardiac impression, superior vena cava, inferior vena cava, brachiocephalic vein, right subclavian artery, arch of azygous vein, esophagus, right phrenic nerve, right vagus nerve. Left lung. In case of left lung, there is also cardiac impression for the left ventricle, and this impression for the arch of aorta. Here there is arch of aorta, and this impression is for the descending thoracic aorta, the continuation of arch of aorta. This impression for the descending thoracic aorta, and anterior to this impression there is esophagus, impression for the esophagus or course of esophagus. Here this impression for left subclavian artery. Anterior to root there is course of left phrenic nerve, and posterior to root, in case of left lung, left vagus nerve. This is all about the impression on the lungs.